Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi, welcome to Battle of the Stitches. This is the reveal week. Battle of the Stitches is a collab I'm doing with Teresa from Critters Crochet. The two of us are working together, and we're inviting up to 2 guests to join us each month for a friendly competition. We don't really get anything if we get the most votes. Nothing like that happens. It's just for fun. And it's just a way to keep you guys involved. We'd love to see your projects. We have a Facebook group called Battle of the Stitches. It's linked in the description. The 2 competitors for this month, Lexi and Charity, are listed in my description as well, so make sure you check them out. I'm going to be putting a voting poll in my community tab today, so you can vote for the project that you like the best. Make sure you watch all of them. I know sometimes I see votes coming in before everybody's even posted their results. I think you can change your mind. I think if you voted for one and then you're like, oh, wait a minute, I didn't see this one, I think you can go and change what you clicked, I think. But anyway, it's probably better just to watch all of them first. So we are doing the staggered double crochet this month. We picked that stitch for this month. We all created our own unique designs with it. And here is my design. I know I didn't get to hear all the guesses because I'm pre-recording these because of surgery. I explained that in last week's video if you wanted to hear about the surgery. But what this is, I didn't have a shirt to actually sew it into, but I have a tutorial up for how to do it and how to sew it in. But these are sleeves that you can attach to a shirt. And I've been seeing these popping up a lot where people are taking old jackets or old shirts and cutting the sleeves off and then putting crocheted sleeves on. So I thought this would be kind of a fun thing, and I love this yarn. In the tutorial I show you how to do it short sleeve, long sleeve. It's not that difficult. Really, all you do is just add more length if you want it to be long sleeved. I just made these short sleeves because it's summer and it's hot and I couldn't even think about long sleeves right now. But this is what I have for my project. So make sure you check everybody else out. Go to our voting poll and vote. The other thing I want to say about voting is you can be entered into a giveaway for you can choose one of the 4 of our designs if you're the winner. So what to do to enter into the giveaway is to comment in the voting poll. You can comment on this video if you want to talk to me. I would love to talk back to you. I would love to have a conversation with you. But commenting on this video doesn't get you entered. But if you comment on the actual voting poll, it will get you entered. Just voting, I can only see numbers. So I don't know who actually voted. That's why we need you to comment. You don't have to write anything fancy. Just be nice. You can even just write voted. I've seen that a lot. That's perfect. That's all we need to know is who voted. So if you're not sure what to say, just put voted, and then we'll enter you into the giveaway. So thanks for sticking with us here. I know it's been a rough month, but hopefully things are going to be looking up and things are going to be getting better. Have a great day. Bye.